Turn your work inside out. I'd like to work on the right side of the project, and I will attach the yarn to continue with the next row here in the area where I joined them together. Start with chain 1, then work single crochet in the same space. We're going to work single crochet the same number as the rows we have in the cuff, so it's going to be 36 single crochet around. That's 1, then here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 1 single crochet in each row. This is the last single crochet, 36, and join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet, slip stitch. Next round we chain 4 and then double crochet in the same space. This is how it looks. Okay, and then we're going to skip a stitch, skip a stitch, and in the next work a double crochet and chain 1. In the same stitch work a double crochet and then skip 1 stitch, and in the next work a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same space. Okay, so that's the pattern. Skip 1 and then double crochet in the next, chain 1, double crochet in the same space, skip, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same space. This is the last cluster, chain 1, double crochet in the same space, and then to finish this round I will slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Okay, the next round we're going to start, I will start here in the middle, so I have to slip stitch to go there, and then chain 5, double crochet in the same space. We're going to start the increase in this row to make it wider like this, like a fan. Okay, so it's basically the same. In the next space here, in the chain 1 space, work a double crochet. This time work chain 2, double crochet in the same space. Okay, this is chain 5, which means the first 3 chain serves as the double crochet, and then the chain 2 is the chain 2, that's this one also. Okay, so just continue with the pattern, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same space, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same space. Okay, and then slip stitch in the third chain to finish this round, and then slip stitch to go to the middle, then chain 3 to start the round, and then work a double crochet in the same space, chain 2, then work 2 double crochet in the same space, then chain 1, and then in the next space work a double crochet, then chain 1, and then go to the next space, work 2 double crochet, chain 2, work 2 double crochet in the same chain 2 space, chain 1, in the next space work a double crochet, and then chain 1, the same pattern there, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same space. Oops. So this is the pattern. To end this round, slip stitch in the third chain, and then slip stitch to go to this part, make 2 slip stitches, 1, 2, so we can start in the middle, chain 3 to start the next round, and then work 5 double crochet in the same space, 3, that's 2, 3, 4, 5. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so there's 6 double crochet stitches for every cluster, and then chain 1 and work a single crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 1 and work 6 double crochet in the next space, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then chain 1, work a single crochet in this space, chain 1, work 6 double crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, slip stitch in the third chain, cut the yarn, and then weave the yarn tail at the back. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you learned some ideas. Thank you, and please subscribe and join this channel, and I hope to see you again next time. Thank you and bye.